Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to try to make a snowstorm in a jar. So what you're going to need is a jar, some baby oil, a cup of water, a teaspoon of white paint, some glitter, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. We're going to break that up in a few minutes. Okay, first of all, let's pour in our baby oil. And we're going to fill it a little bit over half full, okay? Then we're going to add some paint to our water. Teaspoon. Stir that up. So we got it stirred up real good. Then we're going to pour it in our jar. And let it settle a little bit. Then we're going to add some glitter. Let that settle. Just a minute. We'll break up our tablet. We're going to drop it in just as that settled. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Let's see if anything's going to happen. Is it going to make some snow? Are we going to get some snow? Get some snow? I see a little bit of snow coming. See if we're going to get that snowstorm. All right, let's see. Let's put a little more tablet in there. Yeah, there it comes. There comes the snow. It's starting to pour down. Right. How do you like that? Is that pretty snow? See the snow? Parents, you can help your children make one of these, and it's a lot of fun. Talk with you later. See the snow?